Para kanimang na na. Parang na-surprise din ako. Thank you, Nako, for this beautiful flower. Beautiful like mom. Thank you for this present. I love it so much. Okay. Love you. Say my class. Red. My favorite flower is rose. Yeah. Yes guys, welcome! Nandito tayo ngayon. Andito sila, oy. Let's go there upstairs. You give me that upstairs. Okay, hello! Andito sila. Tali na, sandali. We go upstairs na in the outback. Okay, let's continue later. Hi! Yes guys, welcome to Outback. Did you reserve already, Nako? Yes, let's go there. My son already prepared, already reserved our table. Here we are. Okay, so the children are ordering now. That's my son.
It's okay. Can I have apple, please?
Yeah.
I want orange.
They have apple and white grape.
I want grape.
Saan to?
I want grape. Oh, apple.
Grape?
Apple.
Ayan na, na-play ko na siya. Order tayo.
I am ready to.
Welcome guys to Outback for the Mother's Day. Order na tayo. Yung ano na lang sa akin, please. Saan yung pinag-order? Ano nga ba yun?
Ito yun na.
Oh, only this.
I want French fries.
Wala yung ano to?
Salmon.
Salmon.
I want French fries.
Oo, steak na lang ako. That one before. Okay, that's it. No, ano? Pasta. Ano pasta?
Well, I love French fries.
Alright.
That's
Okay, pause mo na. Pause mo muna.
You like my place?
And the children are drawing. That's Elrise. You know, that one her favorite to draw. Her habit. She's #1 for drawing. And the little boy, Marley. So we have a 2 side dish. My own is salad.
Then?
And served with mushroom.
Ano sa dish mo? Fries?
Fries or coleslaw? No, because salad there already coleslaw, right? So, what is that? Fries?
Rice?
OC or rice? Is it good, the rice here?
Oo.
Hmm?
Oo. Yung parang biryani.
Oh
Parang
yeah, I
biryani.
like it, that one.
Rice pila.
Yeah. Rice pila. Okay. For me, rice pila.
Ayun
How
na,
about
ayun
the
na,
children?
ayun na. Kids meal daw sila. Ano pa?
Okay, kids meal.
Potatoes?
So, Maribor, later on your ice cream.
No.
What is it?
Here to drink chocolate milk.
Oh!
It's this in the morning.
Ngayon nasa labas na dito mahal din ang ice cream.
What?
Huwag mo na balik. Like,
Anong pili mo steak man?
So she ordered also the steak, rib eye. Okay, start. Lagyan yung starter. That is the... Wow, sarap niyan. Brownies, bread. Blur tong phone ko pag ginaganong ko siya. Okay, let's start to eat. This is my rib eye beef. Same my son. And then this one, sirloin for Marjorie.
Picture tayo? Mga pala.
Sige, picture tayo na. Nako na mga ako. Hindi makita ko pagkain. Sana yung ano natin.
What is it, man?
ano daw yung maliliit na picture?
Kaya nga fries? Hindi. Okay, ayaw mo mali.
Para kanimang gano'n. Parang na-surprise din ako. Thank you, Nako, for this beautiful flower. Beautiful like mom. Thank you for this present. I love it so much. Love you. Say my class. Red. My favorite flower is rose. Yeah. When we got married, that is...
Kala ko tayo, eh.
When I get married. Yeah.
I get married.
When we get married with your dad, he gave me is orchids, white one. Then after that, eto na, my favorite na, ito na lagi binibigyan niya sa akin. Roses. And then, birthday ko ganyan, wedding anniversary, always rose. Tapos, pag nag-dry na yung petals, you know what I did on the petals? Tinatanggal ko, tapos nilalagay ko siya sa frame. Binubuo ko siya ng heart. Ayan. Tapos, nilalagay ko sa wall. Huh? Okay na, kasi may sounds, makaka-copyright tayo. Ayan. Uy, they give also, hindi ko plan ako niya. Yan, you give also to your mom that one, Nako. Happy Mother's Day, ganun ah. Mom. Ayan, the Outback also, they gave a flower. Complimentary from Outback naman, nagbigay sila sa akin manugang. Ayan, meron po siya.
Sarang kita.
Yes guys, tapos na tayo ang celebration ng ating Mother's Day. So, here we are, pauwi na tayo. Thank you so much, Nako Kingsley, for the flower. To treat me also for here in Outback. Yeah. And then take the photo ng ganda. Okay, videos and photos. Here in Outback. Thank you so much for the flower. Smell good. Diba? Ayan pa rin na. Yes guys! So we just finished to celebrate for Mother's Day. Thank you so much, Anak ko, Kingsley, for the flower. And my grandson, Marley. She's very quiet na, very shy. See, tangkad-tangkad niya na, oh. Ah, tangkad niya na. Hindi ko na siya makarga. Before, when she was only 3 years old or 4 years old, we used to go in Disneyland. Dalawa lang kami. Ano, karga-karga ko noon. Ngayon, ako nakakargahin niya.
Bessie.
Si Idol. 11 years old pa lang, pero ang tangkat niya, maganda pa, parang lolabet lang. Hey! Thank you for the flowers.
Okay na.
Okay, bye!